If you've got a Piaggio MP3 and you got a dead battery, or maybe you've changed your battery to a new one, you're going to have to reset some things on your instrument cluster. I did a video on how to reset your kilometers to miles. Well, this video is going to show you how to set the clock. Follow along, we'll go step by step. Get the clock set on your MP3 to the accurate time. Look on the instrument cluster on your Piaggio. You'll have a button here on the right that says set, a button here on the left that says clock. These are the only two buttons we'll be using in this demonstration. Now when you go to do your kilometers to miles or vice versa, you'll be using some different buttons. So that's in a different video. This is the clock only, and the only buttons you're using are these two here on the dash. First thing we need to do is turn on the key. Alright, so we're going to hold in the mode button for approximately 3 seconds, and you'll see the hour start to flash. So you can go ahead and change the hour to the correct time. Now you can hit the mode button again, and now you can change the minutes. And once you get the minutes set correctly, go ahead and hit the mode button one more time. That's going to be the day of the month. So we're at March 24th right now. So we could change that to March 27th. If you hit the mode button again, that's going to be your month. So we'll change that to April 27th. Now you hit the mode button again, and now you can change the year. So get the year set correctly. And once that's set correctly, just don't touch anything. It will automatically set itself. If everything's set correctly, I like to go ahead and turn the key off. This is just kind of a double check. Give it 1 second. Go ahead and turn the key back on, and it should display the correct time, 6:56. So if you go ahead and hit the mode button once, it's going to tell you that it's April 27th, 2022. Hit the mode button one more time. Display goes back to the correct time. Congratulations on changing the time and date on your MP3. I've looked through a lot of forums, and a lot of people get confused on how to change the time, date, and kilometer and mile. That's why I put the video out there for you guys. Help you guys out, get your stuff set correctly, and enjoy your ride. Hope you guys found the video helpful and informational, and thanks for watching.